Hey guys, listen, Eric at Land of the Light Natural Farm. We, of course, have been rebuilding since a hurricane and all the disaster that we've had here. And the first phase is done. Wow. We're building our training facility and greenhouse here. And we said we are not going to get blown away again. So this is the first phase of putting the deck in, raising the ground up and then putting the concrete in, and the slab is done now. Now obviously it's going to cure for 2 weeks. And then the facility is going to come in, the great training facility and greenhouse, which is going to be epic. It's going to be along the higher section. That's going to be the whole greenhouse and training facility. And then this part, this lower part, is actually going to be the place where you can sit on rocking chairs and pet animals and see the beautiful stuff here at the farm. So thank you all for your support. Wow. First phase is done. It's about a $120,000 project. $38,000 came in and $38,000 is spent. That was to do everything we've done at this point and put a deposit on the building. The next phase is in the next 4 weeks. We need $45,000 to come in to pay for the building. Now that's not the inside, that's the full structure of the building, empty shell, roof and everything is going to be epic. And then of course we'll start building out inside. So $45,000 in the next 4 weeks. We just had someone sow $5,000. Wow. And they didn't even know we had got hit by a hurricane here. So really, if you think about it, if 10 people, if really 9 people just did that, we would be, for this next phase, be set. But we're a nonprofit 501c3. If you want to sow seed, we're self-sustainability, training facility, animal rescue farm, and all the different things. So if you come down this way right here and just look, it's going to be beautiful. We've got, of course, Baxter here. Baxter! No, Fifi here. And so anyways, please continue to pray for us and give your support. We've had thousands of people come through here, and we teach people how to grow their own food. We rescue animals and so many different things here. And we don't charge anybody for any of this. So this is good ground. And we do sell trees here and other things, obviously. But please sow a generous seed into a Land of the Light self-sustainable farm, rescue farm. And thank you. We're going into the next phase.